Hey folks, I had a few people ask me to describe the difference in tone between the OB-3 and the new Bela Fleck gold tone. I figured it would be easier to just make a video, but basically the difference is just, one is a traditional bluegrass setup and the other is a more modern progressive setup. So the more traditional bluegrass setup is going to be a little more direct, clean and clear. You're going to have a little more front edge and brightness. There's still going to be some growl and depth to it though, so that's this sound. I'll just play a bunch of bullcrap. Alright, so here's the Bela Fleck banjo. So the first thing you're going to notice is that the banjo has a little bit more sustain. It's not quite as much brightness and front edge, but it's still kind of got a clear tone to it. It's got like a more cavernous quality, a lot of reverb, not in a bad way. Anyway, I'll play you some more bullcrap on this thing. Anyway, one's big and warm, one's big and clear, and bright and bluegrassy. So, they're both amazing sounding banjos. I really like this banjo a lot. The twanger is an amazing banjo too, but this one, this is a banjo that I could like sit around with and just, play when I'm in my underpants, just not worrying about anything. Speaking of which,